अब हम आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि कल से बड़ी तारीफें हो रही हैं इमरान खान की कि क्या कमाल कर दिया इमरान खान ने, ये क्या कर दिया, ये क्या हो गया। ये तारीफें सही हैं, गलत है। कुछ देखते हैं कि नवाज शरीफ साहब ने जब किया था खिताब यूनाइटेड नेशन जनरल असेंबली से, तो उन्होंने क्या कहा था, यही बातें की थी, तो फिर खान साहब को क्यों ओवररेट किया जा रहा है, सुनिए।
मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट, peace and normalization between Pakistan and India cannot be achieved without a resolution of the Kashmir dispute. Burhan Wani, the young leader murdered by Indian forces, has emerged as a symbol of the latest Kashmiri intifada. Mr. President, Pakistan fully supports the demand of the Kashmiri people for self-determination as promised to them by several Security Council resolutions.
बुरहान वानी का जिक्र किया नवाज शरीफ साहब। आते हम आसिफ अली जरदारी साहब पर, उन्होंने तकरीर किस अंदाज में की थी, सुनिए।
Kashmir remains a symbol of failure rather than the strength of the UN system. We feel the resolution on these issues can only be arrived at an environment of cooperation. By normalizing trade relations, we want to create a regional South Asian narrative.
India has tried to divert world attention by initiating a so-called political process by holding sham elections. But the presence of over 600,000 military and paramilitary forces, the continuation of repressive laws, the failure to initiate a dialogue with the all-parties Hurriyat Conference, or to release hundreds of activists shows how hollow even this so-called political process is, which has dismissed the process of sham elections. The heavy concentration of Indian forces in Kashmir, their violations of the line of control, the massive Indian military build-up poses a direct threat to peace and security in our region. India's pursuit of a nuclear and ballistic weapons program is of serious concern. Of equal concern is its reluctance to engage in a meaningful dialogue on the issues of nuclear and conventional arms control, bilaterally, regionally, or globally. The world cannot remain indifferent to the rise of a fundamentalist Hindu India bent on producing and deploying nuclear-capable ballistic missiles with the aim to target every major city from Yemen to the Straits of Malacca.
एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, मैं आपको दिखाता हूं कि नौजवान जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो ने जब मसला कश्मीर के हवाले से अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की सलामती काउंसिल में बात की थी, किस तरह से की थी।
Kashmir is not an integral part of India. It has never been an integral part of India. Jammu and Kashmir is a disputed territory between India and Pakistan. It is more a part of Pakistan than it can ever be with India, with all her eloquence and with all her extravagance with words. The people of Jammu and Kashmir, sir, are part of people of Pakistan. In blood, in flesh, in life, kith and kin of ours. In culture, in geography, in history, in every way and in every form.
Very strong words yet again by former Prime Minister of Pakistan जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो। एक और क्लिप भुट्टो साहब का आपको अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा का दिखाते हैं, जब ईस्ट पाकिस्तान यानी कि जो अब बांग्लादेश है उसके हवाले से मसला कश्मीर पर बात हो रही थी, और भुट्टो साहब को वो जो मशहूर इंसिडेंट है जिसमें उन्होंने कुछ पर्चे फाड़े थे, कैसे देखिए।
I would not take back a document of surrender from the Security Council. I will not be a party to the legalization of aggression. The Security Council has failed miserably, shameful. I will not be a party to it. We will fight. We will go back and fight. My country hearkens for me. Why should I waste my time here in the Security Council? I am going.
मेरा मुल्क मुझे बुला रहा है, मैं सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल में अपना वक्त क्यों जाया करूं, ये जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो साहब के अल्फाज थे।